Ooh. Gotta watch out. Oh, effing gross. Alright, so we're gonna take a short break because I actually have to go and take some pics of Broly because we haven't really been doing that as much. And the thing is that I got a new build series episode that I need to make for Broly, legendary build series, where we're gonna be adding frame sliders. Currently this beast of a bike doesn't have frame sliders, so God forbid if you ever dropped her, the frame is all open and ready to get destroyed. So we need to add frame sliders. Well, before I want to do that, I still want to have pictures for you guys before the frame sliders. I want to enjoy all the mods how they are, you know what I mean? So I have some pics of the bike with nothing on it, then I want some pics of the bike with stuff on it, because it's more fun that way. Seriously, a lot more fun that way. Where should we go for pics? You know what? I'm actually gonna go here. That place looks a little nice, Maybe there's an opening over there I can take. I'm thinking we take some parking lot pics because I really haven't been in a parking lot or anything like that with baby Broly. Baby Broly. Can I go in from here? Ah, damn it, there's people coming. Damn it. Ooh. Gotta watch out. Oh, effing gross. Oh. That wasn't water, that was like slimy, nasty water. Oh. Dragon balls. Yeah, that was nasty water. Ooh, that's gonna look good. That's gonna look good. We're gonna come around for that one. That's gonna look real good. Ooh, yeah, yo. I knew I saw something. Just gotta make sure she don't slip. Okay, yeah, she makes that noise. She's just cooling off. That's gonna look really good. Yeah, that's gonna look really nice. We're gonna go on the other side as well so we can take some cooler pictures, because it's gonna kind of suck to have a building behind us. But yeah, so as you guys can see, we do not have a ram mount on the bike, so that's the reason I gotta take my backpack off and take some pictures. So bear with me as I snap some pics. Hopefully they don't call the cops or anything. That hey, it's too much of a sexy man is in a parking lot soliciting. Or loitering. I think it's loitering. I like this a lot. It doesn't shut off the fan until the bike's cooled off. It's really nice. But I feel like a Ducati would be that is so cool. You see the leaves are falling off? Oh, that is so nice. Oh, that looks so good. I can't believe nobody parked here. Like, if I worked here, I would park here all the time. By the way, today's a work day, but I said F it, I'm out. I'm gonna go clubbing. We'll turn on the lights in a while, because those lights are the meanest lights I've ever seen in the world. So our goal is take a bajillion pictures, and then later on figure out what you want to keep, what you want to chuck. Because I'd rather not have like 200 photos than 2 photos and be like, that's all I got to choose from. Hell nah. And the cool thing about this bike, no matter what angle you use, she looks like a boss. Sadly, I can't remove this right now because it's like a really tight fit in there, and I don't want to take a chance of breaking it. We're going to come up with another mount. Once we take the mirrors off, actually, it'll be much easier for us to do things, but for now, we're going to have to leave it. There you go. Oof. 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 Go check out Riding Insane for these pics if you guys are interested to see how the edited version looks like, because it's gonna look like a boss. Nah, this won't look good. My shadow's in there, so I'm gonna say hi and then take it. God, these are gonna look so amazing. I can't wait to edit them. Make the wheel straight. I'm just gonna turn that on. Yep, lights are on. I like the way the leaves are. I don't want to mess with it, but every time I walk, it kind of messes it up. God, it looks so amazing. Cool thing is that we're catching the leaves falling on our camera or our GoPro, but we're not going to be able to catch it on maybe in a picture somehow. We'll see. I'll try to use this GoPro footage. Those eyes, man, those eyes, so low and mean. God, this bike really wants you just to ruin you, man, with those looks. Like I said, what we're gonna do next, we're still recording, right? Yeah. What we're gonna do next, turn the bike. This is gonna be tough because high chance of slipping on leaves, but we're gonna try. What I want, turn this off for a second, is to go like diagonal. So for that, keep the kickstand down. Might be easier if I walk it. Only problem with walking it is the leaves will get all like moved around and stuff. With the steering wheel straight. Okay, we gotta move the leaf from under there. You see that? The leaves are kind of wet. Okay, perfect. Then scour them back out. Perfect. Look at that boss. The great thing about this exhaust, it looks the same from almost both sides. Kind of different, but you get symmetry from both sides of the bike. So we got to go a little bit quicker because, like I said, the weather is really, really nice today. But not a weather where you're supposed to be wearing a hoodie. And guess what I'm wearing underneath this is a hoodie. God, the leaves are falling. It looks so beautiful. I bet people can hear me. Be like, who that dude's? Dude's trouble. He's talking to himself. But we a motovlogger. That's what we do. We talk to ourselves all the time. Like legit all the time. I love taking pictures of this bike because it looks so gorgeous. Even with the GoPro mount, kind of ruins it, you know? But I don't mind. I like it. I'll take it. What do we do next? Turn on the lights. And then we begin. I can feel so much sweat coming off of me right now. Like gallons of it. And that dude's stripping over there. No one's even throwing cash, but he's still stripping. Seriously, you guys gotta have to go to my Instagram, check out these pictures. They're gonna be epic. Sometimes you can just tell if the picture's gonna be epic. Sometimes you can just tell. Okay, somehow we gotta grab this tree as well. There you go, grab it. Think that should be good, right? No, let's take more. Let's take more. Still can't believe nobody parked here. Yeah, I gotta be careful I can't be in it. Cause I can edit my leaves, I can edit the leaves and stuff to have myself not in it. But that I don't wanna do so much editing on a beautiful picture with a beautiful scenery like this. I want it to stay as original as possible. Plus our GoPro is heating up, so we gotta make sure that we don't let it overheat. Cause I never let it do that. But we always record no matter what. So that's the reason we gotta continue recording. Start taking pictures this way. I think we're good. But I really love this. This is a really nice place. I was really looking for a place I can come and take good pictures. And I like going to parking lots because these lines, if you set the bike up correctly, like we have it right in between the lines, the pictures come out really, really good for some reason. We gotta leave carefully because these leaves are a bunch and they're all wet. Put the kickstand up first. Turn the bike on. So we're gonna take it really easy. Okay, we're good. We're gonna press yes. How does it look right now, huh? Well, probably the sun's blocking the view, isn't it? I'm gonna slowly go forward. Bike won't slip. There you go. We done good. Ooh, that feels so good! My sweaty body is getting hit with the wind and it feels so good. I bet the GoPro's saying the same exact thing in its mechanical way right now. Ooh, God, I was so sweaty. And since the GoPro's on the outside and it's getting hit with the wind directly, it cools off super duper fast, like super duper fast. And we got a rider up there. We'll see who it is before, if it's like a rider or if it's a chopper. I think it's a rider. So we gotta catch up with him. Cause I'd rather ride in traffic with a rider than ride in traffic alone. And he's just cutting them all. Alright, that's a lot of cuts. Alright, we'll have to do the same then. I don't like doing that though. I guess we're not riding with him. Maybe we are. Ooh, the seat is so warm. Because this is in the sun, not because it was hot, the bike, but eventually it will get hot. Where my homeboy at, huh? Oh, there's too many cars I have to cut in front of. I don't feel comfortable doing that. Is she gonna cut? Or he gonna cut? Because these are all the people stopping me from enjoying this road, I'm gonna cut. Don't know if anybody's coming up from there. caught up to him. I want to ride with him. Is that a Gixxer or a Honda? Can't tell. I'm gonna say it's a Gixxer. Can't believe he didn't cut all these people off. But I'm happy now. Now I can get stuck in traffic with this dude on me. On me. I have lotion on my cheeks. That's what it is. Lotion. I have lotion on my cheeks, so my cheek pads are sticking to me because they're getting all sweaty and stuff. I gotta take my helmet off and rub my cheeks. What bike is it? Is it a CBR or a Gixxer? I can't tell. The guy behind me who I had to go in front of probably just thinks I went around him off Homer. So he forgave me for doing it. I gave him a peace sign too, like, hey man, sorry. Well, I think he has the same gloves as me. You stole them! There's an opening that comes up, so let's see if we can take it. You're not gonna be able to cut anybody off, homie. Don't go through the middle, that's just messed up. Come on, he didn't want to ride with me? Come on, man. He's gonna gun it. Yeah, he can make it, there's a lot of room. But he's going super slow about it. Alright, that was fun. I got to ride with someone. Hey, y'all always jumping, yeah, I enjoyed.